and Polu came to play. Come on, kids, let's start our day. Wake up, don't delay. Let's have fun the Polu way. Wake up, rise and shine. The sun is out, it's morning time. Stretch your arms and touch the sky. Wave to the sun and say hi, hi. Wake up, start your day. Smile and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. Wake up, stretch and play. Let's have fun the Polu way. Fold your blanket nice and neat. Tuck your pillow, smooth your sheet. Aadu claps and Polu cheers. Clean your bed, no mess here. Make your bed, tidy, neat and soft instead. Fold it up and shout hooray. We're so smart the Polu way. Brush your teeth. Morning smiles are sweet. Up and down and round and round. Shiny teeth that love the sound. Brush your teeth, clean and bright beneath. Aadu hums and Polu sings. Shiny smiles for everything. Wow! Wash your face and hands so clean. Freshest kids you've ever seen. Comb your hair, zip your vest. Now you're ready, look your best. Wash and dress, ready now. With happiness, jump and skip. It's time to play, all set for a brand new day. Yummy food to start the day. Healthy bites in every way. Milk and fruit to help you grow. Energy for school, let's go. Eat your meal, don't delay. Strong and happy all the way. Aadu eats, Polu too. Healthy food is good for you. Aadu and Polu smile and play. Ooh, good habits make a brighter day.